Our entire team was with me now, and we did like a pre-planning for the 24th as well as 27th, and for the entire period what we are planning to have the show from the 24th to the 2nd of January. The idea of having this recce today was basically to see how we could manage the crowds, what are the requirements which we need to put in place, and ensure that there is a seamless flow of people in and out after the shows. And I think we have identified certain shortcomings which are there, which we are trying to work on. And yes, all in all, I think by the 23rd, we should be ready for all this.
So overall information, whatever you wanted, you have given instructions to everyone.
All instructions have been given. We are working on it. Most probably tomorrow we will have a meeting with our Environment Minister to take a full review as what preparatory homework what we have done today, and we will also brief him as to what are the strategy what we have worked out for the 24th as well as the 27th.